Want to learn how to reveal your artwork in Procreate like this? I'm Nikki, and I'm going to show you how. First, I'm going to show you how to reveal your art from blank canvas to finished image. Make sure you have your finished art on one layer. Then create a new blank layer, and make sure it's under the finished art layer. Tap the finished art layer and select Clipping Mask. Select the blank layer to color on. Select a brush you want to reveal your art. And just color the whole canvas until your finished art is revealed. Next, if you want to start with your artwork outlines showing and then just reveal the color, here's how you do it. Make sure you have two layers, one with your art in full color and one with just your outlines. Create a new blank layer and place it between the outline and the finished art layers. Select the finished color layer and tap to select Clipping Mask. Then go back to the blank layer and begin coloring to reveal the color over your outlines. If you want more quick tips and full tutorials in Procreate, please consider subscribing to help my channel grow. Let me know in the comments if there's any tricks in Procreate you want to see. Thanks for watching.